Hey everyone, have you ever needed to send a message on Teams at a specific time, but you know you won't be online? Or maybe you want to send a reminder that will pop up for your team at the perfect moment. Well, Teams has a super handy feature for that, scheduling messages. To get started, go to your chat window and click the plus icon to open up more options. From here, you'll see a list of apps and features. We're looking for Schedule Message. A new window will pop up. This is where you can set the date and time for your message. By default, it will show the next day, but you can click on the calendar icon to select any date you want. I'm going to choose Friday the 12th. Next, you can set the exact time. Just click the time field and scroll to find the time you need. I'll set this for 8:40 a.m. just to show I can edit the time by clicking on text field. Once you have your date and time set, click Continue. Now, you'll see the scheduled time and a message box. Just type your message here. For this example, I'll write, Reminder, Sales Sync meeting starts at 9 a.m. tomorrow. Please review the agenda in advance. When you click the Send button, the message won't be sent immediately. Instead, it will appear in your chat window with the Sending On header, letting you know it's scheduled to be delivered at the time you set. So, what if you need to edit this message before it's sent? Simply hover over the message and then select Edit. The message box will open again. You can make any changes you need, like correcting a typo. I'll change the meeting time to 9:30 a.m. Once you're done, just click the check mark to save your changes. Now, what if you decide you don't need to send the message at all? You could try to delete it from the More Options menu, but sometimes Teams has a little hiccup and won't let you delete a scheduled message this way. See, failed to send and won't go away. But there's a simple workaround. Just go back to the More Options menu, click Edit, and then select the text where it shows Schedule Time here. I will select Cancel Scheduled Time. You can even clear the whole message and select Done. This will error out, and then select Delete button, which will delete the message. This scheduling feature is a great tool for staying organized and making sure your messages are delivered at the perfect time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.